Simple functionality, versatility, and performance at a great price. When combined with mobility and durability, makes for a machine value that can't be beat. With these elements in mind, we're proud to offer the G0814 6-inch joiner with cabinet stand as a great addition to any home shop. The 3-knife high-speed steel cutter head is driven by a powerful 1 horsepower motor at an impressive 5,000 RPMs, allowing for a max depth of cut of 1/8 of an inch. The precision ground cast iron tables travel smoothly along dovetailed ways, and the infeed table features a lever for quick height adjustments. The tables and fence adjust for access to the rabbeting edge and allow for rabbets the full length of the board up to 1/2 of an inch deep. The precision ground cast iron fence is center mounted and features built-in angle stops at 45, 90, and 135 degrees for reliable and repeatable bevel cutting. All this and the G0814 features a convenient built-in mobile base and 4-inch dust port to keep your shop clean and in order. We also offer the G0813 6-inch joiner with knockdown stand, with all the same great functionality as the G0814, but with an easy-to-assemble base. Grizzly is your one-stop shop for joiners of all sizes and styles. And we're proud to offer the G0814 and G0813 6-inch joiners, ready to go for your shop today. Available on Grizzly.com.